Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style red coconut chutney recipe. This recipe is perfect combo for dosa and idli. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut, add 3/4 teaspoon Kasmiri Red chilli powder, half inch size ginger, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Remove it into a bowl for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Now add 4 sliced shallots, 2 red chillies cut into halves. Mix it well and cook for 30 seconds. Garnish it on top of our coconut chutney and mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our Kerala style tasty red coconut chutney recipe is ready. This chutney is very tasty along with dosa and idli.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.